Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is a New Year's glam look. So if you want to get this, keep watching. Okay, I'm just starting off with a fresh face. You already know the drill. I'll do my eyebrows, and I am using my Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown, and I like to use it with the angle brush. I got that from Beauty Supply Store, and yeah, just fill my brows in. If you want a detailed brow tutorial, just let me know, because I really haven't did one in forever. And I feel like, I haven't changed my technique or anything, but I changed my products. So if you want to know like what I'm doing now, just let me know. And of course I can get that done for you guys. You know I can. Alrighty, so next I'm taking my LA Pro Girls concealer in Toffee, and this is just my favorite concealer, like for my brows. I don't use anything else, not even my Tarte concealer for my brows, because I just feel like this LA Pro Girls concealer just gets the job done how I would like it done. Like, maybe I'll try something new on my eyebrows one day, but as for right now, this is my favorite. Like, give me LA Pro Girls concealer. Give it to me. And of course, after that, I'm taking my powder. I believe this powder is by Milani. Yes, it's the Brow Fix powder in the Brow Kit. Yeah, that was going to be kind of hard to say. But yeah, it's the Brow Fix powder in the Brow Kit. And I used the darker one. It was not really that dark, but it just helps my brows keep the color, you know. I just like my brows, you know, popping. So this, I'm using my, I'm using my 206 double-sided brush from Sephora. And like I said before, this is my favorite brush for my brows because it just blends it and makes it flawless. So I'm just taking my angle brush again, and I just want to take the spoolie on the other side and brush through my brows. You know, y'all know this process. Next, I'm taking my Anastasia Brow Gel, best gel ever. This is actually a small one, I believe, or I don't know what the other regular size is, but I got this in my little Sephora kit. So next, I'm taking my LA Girls concealer, and I'm just concealing, priming / concealing my eyelids for my shadows. And I'm taking a regular blending brush, shadow brush, whatever you want to call it. I'm taking that and I'm blending that all in. I don't know where I got this brush. I probably got it from BH Cosmetics. If I can find out, put it in the description box. I'm taking the same brush and I'm going in my Airspun powder just to set the concealer I put on my lids. I like to do this so, I don't know, it's just part of the process. I'm taking my 80 matte, 30 matte, I don't know which one it is, but I'll let you guys know in the description box. And I'm taking my MAC 226 brush in that, and I'm just blending that all over my lids as my transition color. I really just do the same nude in that palette. Next I'm taking my eyeshadow palette by Academy of Color. I got this palette from Kohl's, and I got it years ago, so I can't even say whether they still have it or not. And I'm just using a dark color in there just to start warming up my crease, because I'm going for a very, you know, smoky look. So yeah. Next, I'm taking a regular blending brush from my BH Cosmetics set, and I'm taking a yellow in my Subculture palette by Anastasia. So yeah, you guys can see I'm really just working that color in. I didn't want too much yellow to show, but I didn't want it to be so dark at the top, if that makes sense. So next, I'm taking my same 226 brush by MAC, and I'm going into the palette again. I don't remember those colors, so I'm going to just put them in the description box so you guys know. Yeah, so I'm just blending, going back into that eyeshadow palette by Academy of Color. That palette is very pigmented. Like, I've used it a million times and it's so pigmented. So it's like, especially the bomb for us dark girls. So y'all better go. I'm gonna see if I can go find one, because I might do a giveaway with one. I don't know. Okay, taking another blending brush. This one I believe is from Sephora. I will let you guys know the number in the description box. But I'm going into that black color. I wasn't putting that in my crease, but like more so under my crease. I didn't know what look I wanted. So you guys, I was really just going as like just doing what I could. I didn't know what I was going for. So, but I did know I wanted a smoky look because, girl, it's New Year's. And anyway, by the time this video is going to be out, it's going to be New Year's. So happy New Year's to everybody. I hope y'all just get into the money this year because that's what I'm about. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just blending it out with the same MAC 226 brush, taking my LA Pro Girls concealer again, and with my MAC concealer brush, I don't remember the name of that brush, so I'm going to put it in the description box. Yes, I'm just tapping it on my lid. I figured I wanted like color in the middle of my lid with a smoked out eye. I knew I wanted that type look, so it really looks coming out cute. You guys, let me know if you like the voiceovers. I love them because they're easier to edit, but you guys let me know. Okay, so next I'm just taking a regular blending brush again, the same. Oh, you know, that brush came from my Anastasia palette. So if you guys know, you get a brush with your Anastasia palette. That's the brush I was using. I was using a double-sided brush for my Anastasia palette, the smaller side of the brush. So, and I was just blending out the corners of the concealer because I didn't want it to be so harsh. So, yeah. Alright, taking a regular eyeshadow brush, I was going into, I don't remember that color, I'll put it in the description box, but that color was so pretty, like the green and gold mix. I loved it. It was beautiful. So, yeah, I was putting that all over my lid. It was so pretty, like, look at that. And it was so pigmented. So pretty. Alright, so now I'm just blending out the edges of that color. Just making everything look so seamless. I didn't want anything to look, you know, uniform and ugly. So yeah, I'm just brushing out my lash extensions. You know that I didn't want to look dusty because that's not cute. Next, I'm using this primer everybody told me to get. It's kind of like my Professional primer by Benefit, but this one, you guys, was bomb. You guys, it was bomb. My skin felt so soft and so velvety. This is gonna be my go-to, and it was only $7. $7 compared to like $36. Well, $40. Next, I'm taking my Superstay foundation by Maybelline. This foundation, you guys, let me tell you. Y'all see me putting it on how I put on my regular Fit Me foundation. I didn't know this foundation was going to be full coverage. Like, this foundation was full coverage. Like, no flawless, like, no games. So I'm taking my silicone blender, and as you can see, like, it was so full coverage. I did not know. And if you know me, I don't wear foundation every single day. So this was kind of like, oh my god. So, yeah, I was just trying to blend it, make it look, you know, seamless. I was like shocked how full coverage this foundation was, because I mean the Fit Me foundation is medium to full coverage, but this, oh baby, it's full coverage, full, like you don't need a lot. So next I'm just taking my foundation brush. You already know this is my big stippling brush by Sephora, favorite foundation brush, and I was really just trying to blend that foundation in. Like, I was looking in the camera like, oh my god, like I hope I don't look, I don't know, I hope I don't look too makeup. I don't know what to say, but I was just shocked. Yeah, I'm taking my beauty blender because you guys, this foundation was so full coverage. I was just trying to blend. Next, I'm taking my favorite Tarte Shape and Tape Concealer in Deep. You already know, highlight my under my eyes, my nose, and my top of my lip, my cupid's bow. Yeah. And next, I'm just taking my Real Techniques damp beauty blender, and I'm just blending that all out. Yeah, really tap, 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 tap. Not too much going on. So next, I'm taking my, I wanted to try this Fit Me setting powder, Maybelline Fit Me setting powder, and this one was in medium deep. This setting powder was bomb. You know I'm an Airspun girl, but this one was really, really nice and lightweight. I really liked it. And of course, I used my technique, so I didn't have any flashback. So yeah. And after when I do my powders, I used to like I tap it into my face and then I swipe it away. So next, I'm taking my Black Radiance contour, my contour palette. You already know I just contour my cheeks and my forehead with that. Next, I'm taking my Duo blush by Nika K. I got this from beauty supply store. I'm taking my buffing brush from Sephora. Forgot the number of that. Contour my nose, and you know, really just the same old. I don't know. Alright, so now it's time for me to finish my eyes, and I'm just taking every color that I use on top of my eyelids to just do the bottom. Well, not every color, I use about 3 of the colors, but I took that yellow first to start out the smoke process, then the brown, and then that dark bluish color that was in that Academy of Color palette. I know I wanted a smoky eye, but I didn't want it to, like, you know, too much. I didn't want it too much. Next, I'm taking my Airspun powder just to go under my contour. I wanted my contour to pop out more because I feel like when I'm doing a bold eye, I love for my contour to pop out too. So I'm using my Last Sensational mascara by Maybelline to just, you know, put that on my bottom lashes. Taking my buffing brush, swiping that away. Using my MAC Fix Plus spray. And I'm using my new palette from Anastasia. This is their glow palette in Aurora, something like that. And I forgot what color I was using, but I'll let you guys know in the description box. So this palette is really pretty. It's for, like, you know, people who like love color, you could tell. And I'm just taking a lighter shade and just putting that in my corner of my eyelids. Yeah, and we're really done, you guys. I'm just taking my lip liner, and I believe this is in Coffee by NYX. Coffee or dark brown, same color. After that, I'm taking a nude lip that I got from some palette I bought a long time ago. So I don't know. You know how, like, they have the lip colors in the palettes with it. I don't know where I got it from. So yeah, that color, you could just use a regular nude lip. This was a matte lip because I didn't want any shine today. So yeah, that's really it. Happy New Year again, you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and just stay tuned for my videos. Like, I love you guys so much. I'm loving the support. Don't forget to comment. Tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like, and tell me what you want to see.